Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Karibuni sana. If you're new here, hi, karibu sana to the family. On the sixth video, we're going to be recreating a chicken wing recipe. So I saw this recipe on TikTok and we're going to be making lemon pepper chicken wings. So if you're interested to see how this turned out, stick on and let's get this video started. So guys, we're done making the wings. As you can see, so nice. So we are going to be testing, so let's test and I'll tell you how it turned out. Oh, I also made a few alterations. So I used margarine instead of butter and I didn't have paprika, so cross my fingers, hope it turns out great. Oh, and I also added another spice which is garam masala, so you can also add. And yeah, let's taste. So as you can see, there's this one I almost beat. Wow. You can taste the lemon when you've squeezed it on top. It doesn't have too much pepper, so it's nice, but if you want it on the spicy side, you can add more black pepper. But otherwise, this recipe, it's nice guys. Please tell me if you try this recipe in the comments down below, and bye. That is it for the sixth video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, comment down in the comment section down below, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, And until I see you guys next time, bye guys, peace. Toodoo.